Mr. Bates, may I speak with you, please? By what stretch of the imagination? I mean, like, how did I get an F? I mean, what mistakes did I make? It was a college-level assessment, and as a matter of fact, I certainly am qualified of making that point. As in Hamlet, all that's done is done. That's Macbeth, you know-nothing twit. Elton Bates, Griffith High School. Well, you asked me, I mean my mum, to the prom, but she turned you down. So now you're taking it out on her daughter, aren't you? Aren't you? I mean, it was a high school dance. You've got to let go and move on, man. And if you don't, I'm sure the school board would love to hear about your pathetic vendetta against an innocent student. Oh, and by the way, Elton, she had a boyfriend, and you were weird.